So in number 11, a spherical shell has an outside diameter of 1.8 meters and inside diameter of 1.725 meters. So the internal pressure is 10.4 megapascal. So the question is find the stress. So first, wall thickness is equal to 1.8 minus 1.725 divided by 2. So we can get the thickness of 0.0375 meters. Thin shell formula. Shear is equal to pressure times diameter. So we just multiply the answer from wall thickness times 4. So the answer is 119.6 MPa. In problem number 12, a shearing machine has 29,264 foot-pounds of energy. Steel plate ultimately shear stress equal to 40,000 psi. Thickness is 1 inch. Find the length sheared. Energy formula for shearing is energy is equal to 1 half times stress times length times thickness. Solving for length. Length is equal to 2 times energy. To convert energy to inch pounds is we just multiply it by 12 to get the answer of 351,116 inch pound. So the length is 2 times 351,116 inch pound over 40,000 times 1 squared. So the answer is 17.56 inches. In problem number 13, a steel flywheel rim weight 3 times hub plus arm weights rim outside diameter is equal to 24 inches and inside diameter is 18 inches. So the width is 4.5. The density of 0.283 pounds per inch cube. So find the total weight in the kilogram. The mean diameter is equal to 21. Circumference is equal to pi times 21. So we can get the answer of 65.97 inches. The radial thickness, 24 minus 18 divided 2 is equal to 3. In cross-sectional area, we just multiply the 4.5 times 3 is equal to 13.5 inches squared. So the rim volume, area times circumference. So by substituting the answer values, we can get the answer of 890.6 cubic inches. The rim weight, 890.6 cubic inches times 0.283, we can get the answer of 252 pounds. So the hub arms, we just divide the 252 divide 3, so we can get the answer of 84 pounds, and we just add it all in all to get the answer of 336 pounds. Then to convert in kilogram, we just divide it by 2.205 is equal to 152.95 kilogram. In number 14, coefficient of fluctuation of speed. Flywheel speed dropped from 300 rpm to 280 rpm. So the coefficient is equal to max speed minus mean speed divide mean speed. So we can get the answer of 20 rpm. Then the coefficient is 20 divided by 290 is equal to 0.069. So the answer is 0.069. In last number, a bolt diameter with 25 mm radius of 152 mm and allowable shear stress is 100 MPa, 103 MPa. The power is 5,800 horsepower and 1,200 rpm. So find the number of bolts. So we just need to convert the horsepower to watts, and we just multiply it by 746 to get the answer of 4,386,800 watts. So the torque is power times 6 day over 2 pi n. So we can get the answer of 34,419 Newton meter. So the area per bolt, pi times diameter squared over 4. So the answer is 490.87 mm squared. So the force per volt, stress times area. By substituting the values, we can get the answer of 50,559 Newton. Then the torque per volt is 4 times radius, 50,000 times 50,559 times 0.152 is equal to 7,685. So the number of volts is, we just need to divide it to answer of 300 to get the answer of 5. Since 4.68 is not in the choices, so we just round it up. So that's all.